Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
I don't know yet. You're gonna. Well, I don't know because you look like you're gonna yell at
No, I'm not. My
me. Yeah.
mother told me to calm down before I have a stroke.
And she said, "Calm down when you come before me," didn't she? I like your mother.
She told
Because the last couple of times.
Oh, but you know what, Judge Simpson?
Yes, ma'am.
I have so much on my plate and I know what I've done. And when you know what you've done and someone is trying to tell you you didn't do it, I'm like, but here it is. Would you give this to Judge Simpson, please?
Are you just gonna do what she says? I know. I was scared. No, I got you. Okay, what am I looking at?
You're looking at the receipts that I was telling, the money orders that I bought for the rent for October. And all this time I was telling you, someone up in that office took my money orders.
Okay.
I'm trying to.
See, no, right now you're not listening to it.
Okay.
Your mama told you, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And you have not shown this to counsel?
No, I didn't show it to anyone, but my mom and you. And you see where it looked like they whited out? You know, Susanna Vera, who is she? Who is she?
Who?
Susanna Vera. If you see on one of those money orders,
I do.
That says Susanna Vera, I don't know who she is. And on the other money order, it was made out, crossed everything out, and made out to a roofing company. I don't know nothing about no roofing company. I don't.
So with these money orders, you're saying you put them into.
I put them, I done, if I didn't have time because we don't even know when the office is open anymore. I know, but you know what, sir?
Musa.
Okay.
Take it down.
Okay.
You are not going to make it through this hearing without. If you need to yell at me. I can take it.
No,
just go ahead and yell at me. People do all day.
Well,
doesn't bother me. I take the robe off, go home. I'm fine.
Oh no. But what I'm trying to say, sir, if you look at it, both of them, it seems like somebody whited out. I'm shutting up.
You're not telling me the truth on that. Because you're gonna say so. You're just gonna be quiet for right now.
Be quiet.
Okay. All right.
Turn my head. Be quiet.
Miss Dornbush, I don't. You haven't seen these, and
I have not, Your Honor, and just giving Ms. Reeves the benefit of not seeing them, and that what she's brought to the court is what I think it is. I don't think there's any dispute that Ms. Reeves purchased money orders, but even based on that, there's also no dispute that my client didn't receive that money either. And so I know there's a process.
I absolutely agree with you on both those points, unless, and I don't want to.
What's the name of the roofing company, Your Honor? I do not know a Susanna Vera at the Arbor Woods office. I do not believe that individual is an employee there.
It says LLB Soffit and Gutter Seals, maybe, or.
And Your Honor, if the court's able to scan those over to me, I'm happy to review those.
Yeah, we will. I was going to do that.
In the interim, I know MoneyGram has a procedure for Ms. Reeves to dispute that the payee is the intended payee and to request that they be reissued to the intended payee. And I don't necessarily have an objection to continuing this court case and having her pay the ongoing charges while those disputed amounts are hopefully reissued by MoneyGram.
Yeah, I don't know if the problem is the last paragraph and you'll see it when it says that they're saying after the purchase of the money order, MoneyGram is not responsible for the acts of purchaser fees and others which may result in a dispute. Confirmation of a cash.
And I think that's for the intended payee. If there's a dispute between the purchaser of the money order, Ms. Reeves, and her intended payee, Arbor Woods. But here, those individuals that cashed those money orders were not her intended payee. Ms. Reeves was certainly not.
No, I agree with you.
Or the roofing company.
Well, I'll let you read it. I read what they're trying to say a little bit differently. I thought she was going to be quiet. No, go ahead.
Because, sir, she keeps saying that I purchased these money orders.
Hold on. Let me stop you.
Okay.
Ms. Dornbush is representing her client.
Yeah.
She's not trying to make an accusation necessarily against you. What she said at the very beginning is absolutely true, and it's something I agree with. I believe that both things can be true here. I think you dropped these off. Somebody got them, right? So what you tried to do didn't happen. What the landlord wants is everything paid. That didn't happen. That's really all she's saying. They didn't get the money and it didn't go to your account. Okay? All right. Did that calm you down at all?
No.
Okay. That's all I got. Can we scan those?
Because
yes, ma'am.
if you look at it, it looked like someone whited out.
No, I see what you're saying. The problem is, I don't know. You may be saying that it may be somebody that's affiliated with the landlord.
It is.
Who?
I can't say her name because she was the only one working up in the office. Here I am.
Okay.
I've been putting
hold on.
Your Honor, if Miss Reeves has a belief on who it is, I would request that she provide me that information so I can discuss it with my client. But as of now, I have no reason to believe that an Arbor Woods employee took her money.
She doesn't even work there no more. Her name is Zoe.
Okay, hold on. Just here's what I want you to do.
What?
Okay. First thing I want you to do is you got to take your mother's advice. You need to calm down. Seriously.
I'm about to have a heart attack.
Yeah, I know. But that's what you're doing because you need to calm down. There's not much that can be resolved. I'm going to put this over a week. What I want you to do so that somebody's name isn't up there, I want you to call Ms. Dornbush's office.
Call whose office? This lady's office?
Yes.
I don't have her number.
Okay, it's on your paperwork. We'll get you a number.
Thank you.
Call her.
Yeah.
And ma'am, I'm just gonna say this. She's willing to take the name. She may not be able to get to an answer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Even after she talks to her client, she may not be able to get to an answer. But one of the things that I expect from all people is that you treat people with respect.
Yeah.
So when you call her, I don't want any of this.
Yeah.
If I get a report of any of this, I am not going to be happy.
I know.
She wants to take that. She doesn't even have to do that.
No, she doesn't.
She is offered to do that so she can talk it over with her clients.
Okay.
About it. Okay?
Okay.
So you treat her right.
I will.
And I know that she will treat you right.
I will.
Okay? Yeah, that doesn't mean the people have to disagree.
Yeah. Can I say something else?
I cannot stop you. I haven't been able to stop you yet. Yeah, go ahead.
If you look at my pay log, I have never been late for my rent.
That is about the 20th time you have told me that.
I know.
Between the times you've been here.
I know.
Everybody can see that.
Okay, Judge Simpson. My mama told me to just behave myself in here today.
And do you think you did that?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
January 31st, 2025. What time? 1 p.m.
1 p.m. Okay.
I'll be waiting with bells on.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Am I gonna need those papers here?
Oh, did you make me a copy? Or did you give me back?
I gave
you back the original, but I have escaped the copy. I can print and file.
Okay. Let's get those back.
I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Yeah.
I couldn't tell. All right. You have a good weekend.
You too,
All
Judge
right.
Simpson. And I look forward to seeing you on the 31st.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.